Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off Copilot from your Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow this support article of Microsoft. And basically to turn off Copilot from your Microsoft products, you will be needing to simply disable it or uncheck like a checkbox that is showing on each product. So as you can see, you will be needing to disable the Enable Copilot checkbox in each application. And to do so, you will be needing to simply go to File or the File menu option and then go to Copilot. So basically, let's go now for any product. For example, we can go to our Word products or Word Office. And here we will, you might be like on the documents. You will need just to go to the File menu. It will take you here. And then we need to go to Options. And basically here, you'd find like a Copilot option. And in my case, or my version doesn't have like Copilot added to it. And basically, if you have the newest version, you will find like a Copilot option there, and you will be able to disable it or uncheck the Copilot option. And the same would be for like your products or in your uh, Microsoft Cloud. And from there, as you can see, we can find like these options, and from here, there is nothing to do. So if you go like this and we go to the file, there is nothing to have or to disable from here. So basically, all you need to do is to go to the options from your softwares, and you should do that for each application. That means you might want to do it on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.